Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for returning for another video with me. So today I have some cleaning motivation for you guys, and as always I hope that it gets you up and going to get some things done around your home. As always, I will have all of the products that I'm using throughout this video listed down in the description box, so definitely check there if you guys are interested. I will not be doing too much chit chat throughout this video, so I hope that you guys enjoy, and if so, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. And as always, before we dive right in, if this is your first time here, then hello, welcome. My name is Nina, and I hope that you enjoy this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell before you leave so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. So let's just dive right in, guys.
Me and you got that good, yeah, but I'm running like I'm lost in the woods, yeah. I don't really care, cause I just like it here. Me and you can't get enough, no, you know, acted, but I know this is a bluff, though. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at, cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice. I'm all about your vibe. Want you to be my vice. I'm all about your vibe. Want you to be my vice. I'm all about your vibe. I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, cause you know, and like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know and I know we're onto something good. You know and I know we got something good, something good. What have I done? What have I done? I'm not the one, I'm not the one. Can feel my feet on solid ground. Can't lose you, babe. What have I done? What have I done? Need you around, need you around. I did you wrong, I did it wrong. It's a mistake. How do I put things right again? Just tell me what to do, 'cause I'll do anything. I don't know how we ended up like this, just broken dreams. I wanna feel again. I don't know how we ended up like this, how sad it seems. Now can we try again? I won't if you won't, so tell me, can we try again? My heart almost stopped. Can we try again? I wanna know what you're thinking of. You wanna stay or you wanna go? Babe, I can't handle this anymore. I'm about to break. What have I done? What have I done? If I'm not the one, I'm not the one. Can feel my feet on solid ground. Can't lose you, babe. I don't know how we ended up like this, just broken dreams. I wanna feel again. I don't know how we ended up like this, how sad it seems. Now can we try again? 'Cause I won't if you won't, so tell me, can we try again? My heart almost stopped. Can we try again? I don't know how we ended up like this, so tell me, can we try again? Oh yeah, I don't know how we ended up like this. Can we try again? 'Cause I won't if you won't, so tell me, can we try again? I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why you won't? Tell me why you won't. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again. You know
it is the next day and I'm going to go ahead and finish up some things that I didn't get a chance to do yesterday. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, I did post on my stories that I have been so sick, guys. I had a sinus flare, I had sinus congestion. It was just a hot mess, and anytime my sinuses act up, y'all, I am down for the count. So yesterday I went to the gym, I did cardio, and then I came home and wanted to clean my floors, just get the downstairs back in order because, like I said, I've been sick and I've been in the bed. I haven't had a lot of energy to do anything, and it's been raining, so my floors really needed to be cleaned. And I just went ahead, straightened up downstairs and everything like that. I just really needed to get in there and get those floors clean. And lo and behold, it's raining again. And I just cleaned my floors yesterday. It's a never-ending cycle, guys. So after I did that, I was so winded. I was exhausted. So I just kind of threw in the towel for the day. I'm still in that in-between stage to where, like, I feel better, but my body is trying to catch up with the way that I feel. I've just been feeling still fatigued. I'm still trying to take it easy, but at the same token, get some things done. So yeah, I'm going to have to head out in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So I want to go ahead and get some things done that I wanted to do yesterday, but like I said, I was just exhausted and I didn't want to push myself anymore. So I'm going to try to get as much of that done as I possibly can before I have to leave. So yeah, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, definitely give it a big thumbs up, and let's just get back to it, guys.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want to. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. When I think about you, I feel when I think about you, I want when I think about you, I feel when I think about you, I want all that time. Oh, you get what I'm trying to say, 'cause to you I'm an open book. Oh, take your time and read me slowly, baby. Got the hungry look. But it's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things
Alright guys, I wanted to come back on and wrap up the video. Again, if you all enjoyed, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I would love to have you join the squad and come back and join me for the next one, guys. Bye.